Do you ever get bored staring at your lock screen wallpaper every day? Well, what if I told you your phone could surprise you with something new each time you tap the screen, like nature, travel, pets, art, or even motivation? In this video, I'll show you how to set up dynamic lock screen wallpapers. And trust me, it's not just for Samsung users. Whether you use a Tecno or Infinix or an iPhone, I've got you covered. So don't scroll away because your lock screen is about to go from boring to beautiful. So now let's start with Samsung's phone like this S22 Ultra running on One UI 7 and Android 15. You go to settings and you tap wallpaper and style, and you scroll down to change wallpaper. You tap this change wallpaper and then scroll to dynamic lock screen. Here you say wallpaper services, dynamic lock screen. Tap that and you go to here, you tap this settings thing and you choose a category like pets, landscape, animals, food, whatever, anything. Okay, and then tap download. I already downloaded mine, but you can excuse me, if you're doing it for the first time, you will see where it will ask you to tap to download. Then after you download, then you will apply, and that's it. Every time you wake up your phone, a new image from that category appears, and you can enable multiple categories for extra variety. So I'll tap dogs, food, special. You can tap it or download each of these, for varieties. Okay, so on other Android phones, now if you're using another Android phone like Tecno or Infinix or Xiaomi, OnePlus, the steps may vary slightly, but the concept is the same. So look for a feature called wallpaper carousel, daily wallpaper, or magazine unlock. Now, okay, so for Xiaomi MIUI 14 or higher, you go to settings and you go to always on display and lock screen. You tap wallpaper carousel and you turn it on and select categories. Turn it and it auto changes wallpaper on the screen, on the lock screen. For Infinix or Tecno, you long press on the home screen and you tap wallpaper. Look for daily lock screen or boom play wallpaper. In some cases, enable it and pick categories or allow suggested photos. For OnePlus, go to settings, wallpaper. If available, select dynamic wallpaper or use third-party apps like Wally, Tapet, or Zedge. For iPhone, this is for iPhone iOS 17 or newer. It doesn't have iPhone doesn't have dynamic lock screen by default, but you can create something similar using photo shuffle. So long press on the lock screen and tap customize. Tap to add new and choose photo shuffle. Pick photo or use smart shuffle categories like nature, people, pets, and set how often the wallpaper changes, on tap, on lock, hourly, or daily. So whether you're a team Android or iPhone, there is a way to make your lock screen fun, inspiring, and never boring again. So let your phone reflect your mood, your style, your wanderlust, all without lifting a finger every time. If this helped you, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe, and follow for more tech tips, and share it with a friend who still has the same wallpaper from 2021. Catch you in the next one. Tech with Onyi.